Today, I'm reviewing 2 glitter polygels that Rosalind sent me. I'm going to swatch them and create a glitter ombre nail design. I'm excited to share that we've reached 300 subscribers, and as a thank you, I'm giving away a rose gold professional e-file, so stick around to hear the details of how to enter to win. So right now, I'm swatching the Silver Glitter Polygel. It's a beautiful holographic silver, and this color exceeded my expectations. So here is the Silver Glitter Polygel swatched on the swatch stick. It's gorgeous. So right now I'm swatching the Red Glitter Polygel. It's a beautiful rose-colored glitter polygel, and it has a holographic shift to it. So here are swatches of both of the polygels side by side. Now I'm applying base coat because I'm going to be creating the glitter ombre on my practice hand. I already have the nail tips applied, prepped, and shaped. There are 60 milliliters of product in each of these tubes, which is a good amount. Taking my brush, I'm going to dip into the alcohol, and now I'm going to start smoothing and patting out that polygel. So I checked the Amazon website, and these polygels are selling for $7.99 for 60 milliliters of product, which is a really great deal for the price. To create this glitter ombre, I'm moving the polygel around to cover the entire nail tip. I'm making sure that I have a smooth application, and I pat the sides and tip of the nail, which helps to keep that coffin shape crisp. I'm going to repeat these steps on all of the nails. So once that glitter polygel is applied to all of the nail tips, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to lightly feather that glitter polygel into the nail bed, which helps to create a seamless ombre. So once I have completed blending the glitter polygel on all of the nail beds, here is what the nails are looking like after I've cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm applying a bead of nude polygel. I begin by working the polygel around the cuticle. I hold my brush at a 45-degree angle, which helps to create the arch of the apex. Think of the apex as a little hill that starts at the cuticle going up slightly to the center of the nail bed. You want to leave a hairline space between the skin and the polygel. That is the first step to a sealed cuticle. Once the cuticle area and apex are looking good, I am squaring the polygel off, which helps me to create an even blend as I ombre the nude polygel down into the glitter polygel area. I start pressing down the nude polygel with a little pressure applied to my brush. I change the direction of my brush and alternate blending the polygel until I get a nice gradient blended look. I continue wiping the sides of the nail so I don't lose my shape. Then I blend the polygel until it has a nice gradient look to the ombre. I will repeat this on all of the nails. I'm going to show you how to ombre the polygel one more time on the index finger. Again, I start with a damp brush, then I go around the cuticle at a 45-degree angle, creating the arch to the apex. If you are creating nails with this length, it's very important that there is a strong apex, or your nails may not last and possibly will break off. Now I turn the hand to the side so you can see what I'm doing from this angle. I make sure the cuticle is nice and flush and the polygel is smooth with a good arch to the apex. Then again, I start to square off the polygel as I begin to press my brush into the polygel to create the ombre blend. Once complete, I will do a full cure in my UV lamp for 30 seconds to lock that ombre into place. I'm now applying some gel base coat to half of the nails because I'm going to be adding some holographic butterfly and flower glitter pieces to the nail. I'm only adding a few pieces here and there, so once the light hits the nails from different angles, you can see the shiny butterflies and flower shapes. You can skip this step if you'd like, but I wanted to add these glitters to enhance the design. Now I'm going to add a few pieces of small holographic glitter to the ombre area of all of the nails. This helps to add dimension to the ombre. I purchased all of these glitters from AliExpress. These glitters match this glitter polygel perfectly. The base coat gel helps these glitters to adhere. Now I'm going to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, and now I'm going to cap all of the nails with clear polygel. I'm only applying the clear polygel from the apex, or the highest point of the nail, to the nail tip. I'm capping this part of the nail with clear polygel to seal in the glitters, as well as add strength and some needed thickness to the nail tip. I make sure that the application is even and smooth, and I also wipe the sides and tip of the nail to keep the shape. Once the clear polygel is applied to all of the nails, I cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, and now I'm wiping all of the nails off with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol. Now it's time to finish file the nails, and I always start by using my fine 5-in-1 bit. I purchased this bit from iGel Beauty. I always start by going down the center of the nail to help refine my apex shape, and then I will change my hand positions and then just even out the rest of the nail. I will then shape the sides and tip with my 100 grit Pana file, and finally I'll smooth out the nail with a sanding band. I'm using this e-file bit at a speed of around 10,000 RPMs. I need your help. When I was trying to decide on a giveaway gift, I wasn't sure what you all might need most to help you on your nail journey. Please let me know in the comments if you are an at-home nail lover, are you a nail tech in the making, or are you already a nail tech? This will help me get to know you all better, which helps me in choosing items for my giveaways. Also, please let me know in the comments which items you need most to help you get started. It's my goal to help you all discover the joy and passion of doing nails. Doing nails brings me so much joy. I was working at a job in retail and I was so burned out. When COVID hit, I decided I needed a change and I went to nail school. Being a single mom of 3 for 7 years, I never took any time for myself to discover my own passion. Doing nails is so much fun for me and gives me a creative outlet I needed. I was on maternity leave and my fiance, well now he's my husband, encouraged me to take the plunge and go to nail school. I love doing nails. I love to share my passion with others, and I love sharing it here on YouTube with you all. I did get my nail license and it was so worth it. So if I can encourage anybody who's in a similar situation to change their situation, I say do it. Go for it. To finish off this nail design, I'm painting a thin layer of non-wipe gel top coat on all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And here is the finished nail look. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It's time for the giveaway. I'm giving away this rose gold professional e-file. It's brand new from Amazon. It comes with everything you see here. It has a digital display and can go up to 35,000 RPMs. It has 11 e-file bits and is portable and rechargeable. The rules for the giveaway are posted in the description box down below this video. Entries that don't comply will be disqualified. You must be a subscriber of my channel. I will verify this, so make sure your subscriptions are public. This contest is free of charge to enter. YouTube, Rosalind, and Amazon are not sponsors of this giveaway, and they're not affiliated with this giveaway in any way. I purchased this e-file myself, and it has an approximate retail value of $65. You must answer the 2 questions I asked you to comment on previously in this video. Give this video a like, and read the rest of the rules in the description box down below. The giveaway will run until September 30th. I will announce the winner on my YouTube video on October the 2nd. Good luck, everyone!